Hello everyone, in this video, I will compare Makesyoufluent and Jumpspeak. Makesyoufluent and Jumpspeak are both AI-powered language learning platforms. Makesyoufluent is a language learning app that helps you become fluent by listening and repeating real conversations. It uses natural dialogues from native speakers, so you can get used to how the language really sounds. The app is great for improving your pronunciation and understanding because it encourages you to shadow and mimic what you hear. It feels more like learning a language the way kids do, by listening first and speaking. There aren't traditional lessons or grammar drills, which some people might miss, but it's perfect if you want to sound more natural and fluent. The interface is simple and clean, making it easy to use daily. Jumpspeak is a fun language learning app that helps you practice speaking through real-time conversations with an AI partner. It's designed to feel like you're chatting with a native speaker, and you get instant feedback on your pronunciation and grammar. The app focuses on speaking from day one, which builds confidence quickly, especially if you're shy about talking. Lessons are short, realistic, and based on everyday situations like dating, travel, or job interviews. It doesn't overload your grammar rules, just natural conversations that help you improve fast. The voice recognition works well, making practice feel smooth and interactive. Overall, Jumpspeak is better if you want to actively practice speaking with instant feedback, while Makesyoufluent is better for improving listening and natural fluency. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.